Hey you guys, what is up? Happy Vlogmas day 1. I am so excited. It's been a whole year since I did Vlogmas for the first time, and this is our second year. I can't wait. I love recording vlogs, and this is gonna vary. It could be like a plan with me, it could be, I don't know, like a sticker haul or some random stuff, who knows. But I wanted to at least post every single day until Christmas Day. So that is the plan. By the way, can you see over here my Christmas tree? I have not put it up, but that is today's plan. And yeah, I'm just really excited to get today started. I'm excited for vlogs. I'm excited to talk to y'all daily. It's gonna be tons of fun. So I hope you'll stick around for the ride. Also, excuse my appearance. Like, I literally woke up and I was like, it's Vlogmas, I need to get started. So yeah, but not every day will be as like kind of put together as today. Some days are going to be a little bit more rushed than others, but I promise to post every single day, and I'm excited. But anyways, I am gonna go ahead and drink my coffee, watch some TV. I actually start work at 8:30 now because I'm in a training class for a new position. My husband's calling, hold on. Hello?
Hey, question. Do you want burgers tonight, or what do we have for dinner plans?
Okay, that was my husband calling, asking about dinner plans. He actually had to work in office today, so it's gonna be a little different because he's not home. Usually he is, but either way, I'm excited to get started with Vlogmas and to talk to y'all daily. So I hope you'll enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee before work and take out the food that we're gonna eat tonight to defrost. But I will talk to y'all later. All right, you guys, this is my little setup. I have training this entire week and for the next following weeks. So I have my computer out downstairs instead of in my office. Just figured it'd be cozier and I can do this for like half the day or whatever. I also brought down my planners and my pencil pouch and a couple sticker books. I have Marielle's A Year of Planning Volume 2 and Volume 1. And then I also have Heather Kell's Christmas Florals. And I think that's an old one. I'm pretty sure it's a really old one. And I'm watching some YouTube videos to get inspiration on this planner right here, which is an hourly planner. So I'm excited. And I am watching, let me find her name. Okay, we have an ad. So I'll have to wait to see which one it is. But I have my water and my phone here. So I'm like ready to just chill out vibes today. I feel like this image is like really, really yellow, but it's fine. Whatever. I'm not really trying to worry too much about the color. But her name is Samantha E. So that is who I'm watching on YouTube, and she has a lot of Erin Condren inspiration, and she basically has like exactly what I'm using. Like other than she has a daily petite planner, I don't have a daily petite planner. My petite planner consists of the meal plan, a notes little petite planner, and financial, and then the last one that I have in there is just stickers. So that's all I have in there, and I'm gonna chill, get started for work, and probably turn this off so it doesn't distract me, but I'll probably have something in the background to just keep it cozy. But anyways, I'll update y'all in a bit. Oh, I'm so excited for today. Hey you guys, so I'm on break right now, and oh my god, it is so hard, so hard to stay awake because I'm in training right now. So like just listening to the trainer, listening to like things that I already know. I think because we're in the first week, it's like very slow and easy right now. I would assume later on during the training it'll get a little bit more difficult, but right now it's just kind of like a review type of situation, so it's really hard to stay awake. I'm currently working downstairs in my living room just because my husband isn't home, and I can easily go to the kitchen, grab a snack or grab something to drink, as opposed to being upstairs. I'd actually have to come downstairs. But my husband took our laptop charger for that we have for work, so I don't have a charger downstairs, so I'll probably have to go upstairs in a little bit. But my current situation is literally, let me show you. I'm just hanging out right here. I have my laptop right over there, and I have videos in the background just playing, just to kind of get myself Caesar. Okay, I think a package just arrived. If you heard Caesar, I'm sure you did because it was very loud. But yeah, this is my current situation, just to keep myself actually distracted, and like not distracted in a way that I'm not paying attention to what like the trainer's talking about, but like have something in the background just playing, just like in case I need to look away, at least I'm not looking at a blank screen. But anyways, that was just a little update. I'm gonna continue working. I have my headset here. I wish this computer, for some reason, whenever I remove the headset, it doesn't play out loud. So I'm not sure why that is, but that's the way it works. But anyways, I'm gonna get the package that's outside. Do have to put on some pants because I'm wearing like shorts that I slept in, and I don't know if I want to step outside in shorts. But anyways, I will update you all later. Oh no, I need to charge my camera. Oh, actually, a little update on my planner. I did decorate it before work, and I think it turned out really good. I am so excited. I think this looks really pretty. I use the sticker books that I showed you all. This is like Heather Kell's. The boxes is Heather Kell's from her Christmas sticker book, and these little stickers right here are from the Whimsy Luxe Volume 2 sticker book, and I think it looks amazing. This is exactly what I wanted. If you didn't follow me or aren't subscribed to me, I would use the Line Vertical planner as my catch-all, and I would add hours to it. So I would add from 6 to 11, although I never needed up to 11. But this one comes already pre-done, and it's from 6 to 7. So I love it so much. There are times where we have stuff planned out after 7, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put, like, this was we went to Violent Night at the Draft House at 7, and then on Saturday we have Monkeys on a String at 7, which is a band that we're gonna watch. Yeah, but anyways, I think it looks great. I love it so much, and I can't wait to continue using it. I did redate this to work for this current week, so I got the planner on Wednesday. So I just kind of planned, what would you say? I don't know. I filled it out, although this already happened, and then I have this over here just so I can get started with it, and I think it looks great. I love it so much. But anyways, just a little update on that. Look who's home.
Hey, buddy.
Matthew's home. Caesar's happy, and I'm still working. I only get to see my keyboard, but I'm still working. Hey you guys, I'm off of work. I look a hot mess, but finally gonna put up the Christmas tree. It's gonna go here. I have to remove Caesar's dog bed and possibly even move the sofa a little bit back because I need to have enough room right here to put up the Christmas tree. So we'll see what happens because this is a pretty tight space, but it should work out. So I'll let y'all know, and hopefully I can record a little bit of the process. Well, you guys, update on the Christmas tree. At least it's being assembled. That's Caesar communicating, but at least it's assembled, and Matthew's gonna help me make sure that the lights are all connected, and then I'm gonna decorate tomorrow because I'm too tired right now. I've been struggling with the flare up for like a whole week so far, so I'm getting ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog here, and if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye!